Owayibopha kuzoyikhulula. I-AfriForum ichazela amalungu ayo ukuthi ibihlanganelani noJacinta. uJacinta uchazela abantu abamnyama ukuthi ebehlanganelani ne-AfriForum. Amalungu e-AfriForum awafuni kuhlangane neMarch and March. Namalungu eMarch and March angakhokhi lutho awafuni kuhlangane ne-AfriForum. Kwenzakalani la? Bani bezwe. Ibhola limakwa kumuntu oliphethe. Ngeke uyolimaka ibhola kumuntu oliphethe without uyomthinta. Umuzwa amandla, umqale, understand ukuthi umuva kanjani nebhola ukuze ulithole. Alikho emoyeni ibhola. I-country ayikho emoyeni. Hayibo. I-country sezandleni ezithile, and lezo zandla ezithile yizo eziyiphethe. Ziyiphethe ngendlela ethile. Zidlise satshanyana kuze uzobamba intshayelo zayo. Hayibo. Hayi. Awese mfethu. Ngizoze ngidideke ukuthi ngingakuphi ngoba ngikho ndawo. Kodwa ngifuna uunderstand. Number 1. Wena imali yakho oyisebenze kanzima isangena eCapitec. iCapitec elawulwa eStellenbosch. iCapitec eownwa eStellenbosch. Obani? Oqonqa. Abanjani abacontributor kwi-AfriForum. I-profit abayenza ngemali yakho bayifaka kwi-AfriForum. Kodwa uyakwazi ukuma etsheni phezulu zake esihlahleni dilika. Mainly because we are not participating to understand what they're doing. We are participating because we are dependent on what they are doing. There is an element of a voluntary participation and a voluntary engagement uJacinta is doing to engage these powers that may, with a deliberate attempt to understand how they operate and how to better compete with them. That's my understanding of why would such powerhouses meet? Why would such powerhouses have a dialogue and engagement? AfriForum is always looking for black progressive people to engage them so that they do not remain behind as to what are the developments or the latest developments taking place and taking form. But thina, the most developed, sesine access singayi kubo. Kumele kiwe kubo. Yibo abaliphethe. Kumele njengoba nawe uzovuka nje kusasa ekseni uhambe uyofola lapha. Ingoba ufuna lento abayiphethe, uzokhanda le onayo. Ongenayo, I mean. So sididekile, but abanye siya understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. But in all honesty guys, kulula ukuthi sime phezulu sigxeke kunokuthi sisebenzise lokho okukhona to advance our people. We don't have banks. We don't have big retail stores. It's mainly because there is a part of us that needs to surrender in trying to understand how these conglomerates operate or how these systems keep on suppressing us. If asizazi ukuthi zisuppressa kanjani and asondeli labantu abaziranayo, ngeke sikwazi ukuqashuka ngoba ugibe lulapha. Yabo. Yini enhlezi nithi, hayi asikhandelene ethi oranje. Oh, asikhandelene ethi ioranje. So nina, when you speak of reference to ioranje, but you cannot go and learn how it's developed and how it's operating. For the fact that oranje has its own token. It's an opportunity for you to learn about that token and also implement it at your own neighborhood or small piece of land that you decide to use as a collective. Bangaphezulu okwamanje. Kodwa ukuze sibe ngaphezulu kumele seqebo. And owabo umnotho melu. Ziningi indlela zokuwisa. Kodwa abantu bezwe ningihlekiselana.
Azi ngihleli la ngibuka amanye ama video kuthiwa hayi uJacinta usehlangane nabelungu useCaptured kwasho kwacima kanjani wenganza kwethu enye yama privilege esinawo as ama South Africans eyokuthi siyi rainbow nation. Labantu abamhlophe ba ama South Africans as much as nathi sama South Africans. Even worse, i-economy vele isasezandleni zabo. You understand, ama industries aphethwe yibona. Ama sectors amaningi operate ngendlela eright ebenefit isizwe, eqasha abantu abakusona isizwe and stuff. Asaphuma lezo ndawo zisaphuma ezandleni zabantu abamhlophe. Ngiyakuvuma lokho, yabo. Into ekumele si understand la ukuthi i-March and March ayisi political party, i-civil movement, yabo. Same as the AfriForum ingeyona political party, i-civil movement. Excuse me. For abantu abamhlophe. And kuningi ekwenzile, you understand, over the years. Ziningi izinto ezi-achievwe i-AfriForum for abantu babo, you understand. Usisi wethu akasona isiphukuphuku. Ubhutu Zuma umnumzane oganelwe uJacinta akasona isiphukuphuku. Wonke lama decisions athathwe bebo babili labantu. Lo muntu ekuthiwa uJacinta enye into emele sibuye siyincome ngaye uyisibonele esihle emphakathini. You understand ukuthi teamwork iyayikhanda i-dreamwork. Yabo leyo nto leyo unendoda em-backup fully. You understand, even worse leyo ndoda iyi-lawyer by profession. Yabo leyo nto le ikwenye yama law firms are successful kwi-country. Yayizwa leyo nto le. So ama advice awathola kuleyo muntu naye ngehabulo lakhe uJacinta phela uJacinta akafani nondoda master, understand, uhabulile lo my sister and uhlakaniphile even worse. So labo bantu mabeyixoxa into yabo bebo babili and abantu abanothando lesizwe, abantu abafisa ukubona isizwe sisesimene esingcono ngelinye ilanga, you understand. Labo bantu mabephumba nesinqumo, you understand, behamba besidikida ne-team ye-March and March. I-team ye-March and March is i-leadership is approve. And nakuthina abantu abakwazi ukubuka izinto bayibuke ngehleli deep, say understand into lo sisa yenzayo. Ayikho into wrong. Mele sivume induku, you understand. Ama public sectors are no government. Check ukuthi mapi asasebenza ngendlela right, asarana ngendlela right between aranwa abantu abamhlophe naranwa ithina. Buka indlela yokugruma nokukhula kwama junior employees kuma sectors aranwayo abantu bebala naranwa ithina. Umehluko omkhulu, yabo. So alikho iphutha ekuthenini uyivume induku ukuthi okay nabo master balento, yabo leyo nto le bayenzile phambi kwethu for many years sibabuka, yabo. Nathi sesigcine sesiba nethu into, yabo, but asike sibulala i-skin color, sibulala i-race phakathi kwethu sama South Africans ekugcineni. And selithanda izwe lethu and sayithanda ne-future yezwe lethu ukuthi belong ezandleni zengane zethu nezizukulwana zethu. Yini esingayenza going forward? Yikuphi okuhle singakuncela kulabantu, yabo? As much as sinama differences zethu njengoba siyingane zandawonye sinokufakana imvubu sisodwa la ekhaya, but okwamanje asike sibhunge ndawonye ngoba sibhekane nenkinga efanayo. Akubona bonke abantu abamhlophe ababenefita from i-cheap labor. Akubona bonke abantu abamhlophe abaparticipate kulezi zinto zoku-exploiter abantu bangaphandle. So labo bantu baya understand ukuthi ultimate goal ye-March and March yini and yindaba kumele besize i-March and March. Because abasizi i-March and March kuphela, nabo basizi i-future yezizukulwana zabo ezweni abafika basettlela kulona, nabo balideveloper, yabo, bazinza kulona. So nje lento yokuthi nibuka izinto at face value, oh Jacinta usenje, shout out to you my sister. Qhubeka wenza into yenzayo, luningi kukhulu esikufundayo from wena kanye nobhuti uXolani if I'm not mistaken, umfowazuma uNcamalala, yabo. Salute to nina and yeah bafethu kuningi esikubukayo lapha kuma social media, kuningi okuhle ekumele sikuncome, kuningi futhi nokubi okumele sikucorrect. Singagijimeli ukushezi sitrash abantu, si crush abantu ngaso sonke isikhathi. Yonke opportunity siyitholayo, kunabantu abadinga opportunity out there, bayawenza amaphutha just like every other person, njengawe wena uJudgmental. Yabo le nto le, njengamanje njengoba thina saba kulelizwe, asike sizama ukuthi sibambane, silwise isithe sibhekane naso. Siyeke lemzizizi yala ekhaya emene side lesitha, ya understand, isitshela ngokuthi kunomunye usisi wangiphoxa kabi la, ngazathi uganele ngaphandle, yabo. Wayethi abantu bangaphandle ama shareholders akulelizwe ngoba balobolile, baba renovate imizi yasemakubo, bababekela ukudla emagrocery, bathenga amagrocery for imindeni yasemakubo. Guys, lalelani la sinitshele bantu besifazane bakulelizwe, thina sizokulahlekelwa yizwe ngenxa yokuthi nina nicabanga ngethumbu. Yabo le nto le, nibe nivile lapha nifakazela istate, nifakazela inkulumo zalabantu ukuthi ama South Africans avile lapha. Nina niyavile lapha, nizalwa abantu futhi most nabo abavile lapha, nani niyavile lapha, yabo. Akuyona nje into ongazophuma usitshele yona la online thina ukuthi bayawakhela, bayanondla. Abanye bethu, ubuningi bethu, ngikhulumela iningi lama South Africans afana nami, asinawo amakhaya alungiswa abantu bangaphandle noma alungiswa osibari thina. Asinayo imizi yasemakithi eyondliwa osibari, yabo le nto le, whether bangaphandle noma bala ekhaya, yabo le nto le. So ungasifaki kuma choices zenu endlala, yabo le nto le, usifake lapho sonke, cha, ngasifaki lapho siswami. Sibukela kubantu abanjengo Jacinta thina, yabo le nto le, abayisibonele esihle and abangekho perfect, ba abantu njengabo bonke abantu, yabo le nto le. But okusalayo okukhulu esikubukayo, ubuhle bu-outweigh ububi esibubonayo empilweni zabo. Kanza kwethu ukwanda kwaliwa umthakathi, but kumele nikwazi inhle into yenziwa imatch and match. Salute.
Allow me to say something that I know is going to make a lot of you all uncomfortable. You can reject or hate white supremacy without rejecting everything that white people have built. You can reject everything that white people stand for, including racism, including white minority rule, white monopoly capital. You can reject everything that they have built. I mean, you can reject everything that they stand for. But let not that dim you or blind you from learning something from them, taking the same rule of law that they apply in each and everything that they do and applying it in your own capacity as a black person. I see a lot of people are mad and angry and calling Jacinta and March. They are calling her sellout for wanting or engaging with the AfriForum to learn how they sustain their institutions, to learn how they build and their own institutions, how they source out funding, how they maintain or sustain advocacy, you know, how they became as big as they are today. A lot of people are hating Jacinta Mongobeso for wanting to engage and learn. Keyword, learn from AfriForum, which is white people, by the way. A lot of people are saying, yeah, she's a sellout too. Yeah, hey, this is what we were talking about and everything. But that's a very dangerous way of thinking as Umtomnyam. The important lesson here that we are failing to see is that whether we agree with AfriForum politically or not, it doesn't take away from the fact that they've built a beast of an institution. And that is something that we need to learn from. And that is something that we also need to applaud. You see, guys, as black people, we need to stop letting the past or racism affect us in a way that we don't want to learn from what other races are doing, because oh no, we always want to be stuck in that victim mindset. Our hatred for racism, which is obviously understandable, our hatred for racism has become so intense that we automatically reject anything that is associated with white people, and that's very dangerous. You don't have to love somebody in order for you to learn from them. You don't have to agree with somebody You don't have to agree with AfriForum's political ideologies in order for you to learn from their strategy. You don't have to embrace AfriForum's ideologies in order for you to understand how they built an institution that has survived, that has built, mobilized supporters, brought in lawyers, and consistently taken matters to the court. See, to me, what Jacinta did is not betrayal. That's not betrayal. That's intelligence. That's excellency. That's like high level intelligence, because like we are seeing why people keep on surviving, why people keep on thriving and excelling in different things, and we are consumed by our hatred for them so much that we can't even learn from them. We can't even learn from them. If you want to beat somebody at their game, there's a saying, if you want to beat somebody at their game, you need to study how they move. You need to study their strategy. You need to study how they got to the level that they got in, and then take that information and excel in it and beat them in their own game. So whether you like Jacinta or not, whether you like AfriForum or not, it doesn't take away from the fact that this collaboration, this coalition is sheer intelligence. Sheer intelligence. Don't allow your hatred for white people to consume you or cloud your judgment of learning from them. Asiye again lapho.
Ngosisi wethu Sis Jacinta njengoba ehlangane ne-AfriForum. Ngicela ukunitshela one thing ne. Siyazi ukuthi she's in the center of everything that is happening in the country, and ngicela ukunitshela one thing. It was about time ukuthi Sis Jacinta ahlangane ne-AfriForum. And it is about time ukuthi and ahlangane nabo on a public platform or in a public space, because most of you guys are meeting politicians behind closed doors bese nibuya nisuffocateisa la ama deals eniwenze behind closed doors. Uphumele public uSis Jacinta wathi uzoqala iSouth African First ezo operator njenge AfriForum uvikela amalungelo abantu abamnyama base South Africa, ngoba nayi AfriForum imile ivikela amalungelo abelungu base South Africa. Manje kunecala yakhumbula umntwana ucwecwe lwase Eastern Cape. iAfriForum yanceda lo yathisha omkhulu ukuthi kufaka icala against uJulius. So nathi siyadinga ukuthi kube khona umuntu ozomela abantu bakithi. Is it a crime now ukuyobuza ukuthi wendoda lento yeni niyenze kanjani, ngoba siyabona ukuthi umhlaba wethu awukhona ukubuya. Siyabona ukuthi izinto eziningi asikhona ukubuya. Siyabona ukuthi information eningi is being hidden. Kune system esifuna ukuyi-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Why kunama politician amaningi? There's a lot okufanele ukuthi uSis Jacinta ayidiscover kulento, and kune reason why sithe angabi i-political party, because at the end of the day she needs to be an alternative for South Africans. And let me break it down to you. iAfriForum yabalwela belungu ayidlali, and it doesn't miss a chance. And iAfriForum yabamela belungu. So and AfriForum inawo amafema belungu abawasebenzisayo ukudefenda belungu. Nathi nayi izuma fem yabameli okufanele kube yithuluzi lokuthi sicashele kulo abakhona ukukhokha bekhokha abangakhoni kube ukuthi iyabamela iSouth African First. So yinto ekufanele kube isikhali esisisebenzisayo ukuchinja indlela isystem eoppressa ngakhona umuntu wase South Africa. We need to face one another njengoba eshuthile nje uSis Jacinta nami. We need to face one another, because kusetshenziswa osopolitiki ukucindezela impilo zethu. Kusetshenziswa ama political party ukucindezela impilo zethu. And I remember one of the good days I said, if kuzophuma usopolitiki athi uzosimela and uzowina, asikhohlweni. But nithulile iAfriForum ehlangana nabo bonke osopolitiki senivula umlomo wase kuSis Jacinta. Nisijwala kabi, nesidakele enhleki. Nisijwala ngamakhakha omncaba. So sicela ukunitshela nakho ke ngane zakwethu. Sis Jacinta from ngithi singomakhanya sithi hlangana nalaba because akekho so politics banye ngcono kona sijesu into uyavela nje obala uthathe few ideas ningayizwa ngoNtsikimazwayo uNtsikimazwayo anganithusi uNtsikimazwayo usaxakwe izinkinga zakhe usaxakwe izinkinga zakhe so sikhulume la nosibangela ukukhuluma ngoba mina ngiyakhuluma phela ngizogcina ngikhuluma lapha bese kuthiwe ngithe so uNtsikimazwayo wena sijesu into ungamnaki so sicela ukunitshela one thing akhona osopolitiki abanyonyobela labelungu behind closed doors bakhona baningi sobasho la so sibamention amagama abo so uma usijesu into obuza ukuthi anime nisi uma kuyinto yokuthi sibuze system abayisebenzisayo be willing ukuthi basitshele and issue indaba yokuthi vela sizukubona ngasolinye and ANC yayisebenzisa Muslim method ukusinika ifreedom ayifake ANC yayisebenzisa le method ukuhlala oshenge nabo Mandela bahlala etafuleni nalabelungu basinika ifreedom ayifake mase kuhlala uJacinta ngoba sekufuna kushintsho le system seyinkinga manje sekuphuma ama propaganda kuphuma ama EFF minions nama ANC minions andisicela abanye bangaphenduli and bangakhulumi because sizokwazi ukudila nabo accordingly and sobakhumbuza because we still have their recordings and we still have their photos so better know mawuzokhuluma because sineyithombe zika Julius Malema nama EFF minions wena ziziphi nobubi sinazi izithombe zika Julius Malema nabelungu sinazo and sinazi izithombe kukhulunywa belungu besho ukuthi uJulius bamsebenzisa kanani namavideo akhona and sinawo amavideo uJulius eshuthi kufanele abantu abamnyama beqhashazwe bepretendele ngazuthi bayalwela ukuze bangahavoki ama suburbs nama cities abelungu nabo Julius so izikhona lezo nkulumo ikhona sizoyikhuluma lezo zinto ningasibangela ukukhuluma sinawo ama proof nama recordings sinawo akhona akho ngeke nonyamalalise Sijesinta go ahead we are standing for South Africans and njengamanje please be careful of chance takers I'm sure in the matter of umne wethu Paulo Mthakathi nakuyimetha kangizwe you've learned a lot don't trust anyone but be with anyone but don't trust them you understand don't be too close with everybody you are at a critical stage at the present moment South Africa need to be saved and we don't trust any politician at the present moment let me clear this one we don't trust any politician at the present moment because they are here funded to serve their foreign interest and their own personal gains. This is a big statement. Whether you like me or not, I'm always going to be sober when I'm saying this thing.
Jacinta partners with AfriForum and says she wants to learn from them. There's obviously noise on the net where people are criticizing this whole thing. Guys, it's about time you understand that South Africa has got different people living in it, and for it to be successful, people are going to have to collaborate. This negative commentary comes from all sides. It's not just coming from the one side. There are those who are negative, and that's why we say those South Africans that are positive about taking this country forward are going to stand united. We are not going to entertain principalities of darkness and people that are negative. Now let's look at what AfriForum has achieved over the years. Let's look at AfriForum as an organization. AfriForum has taken governments and municipalities to court. When there's a pothole, AfriForum deals with that matter themselves. They don't wait for the government. And I think we already established as South Africans that we are not going to entertain politicians. We are not going to run after politicians. So for us, Jacinta is on the right track. We're not going to run after people that fix potholes and then next week the pothole is even worse. We're not going to entertain such things. And if we understand why Jacinta started this whole thing and then partners with people that are so independent and don't need the government and says I want to learn from these kind of people, and then you criticize her, then awatla leave. And we said this country is going to go forward. We're not going to entertain the noise. I think by now you tried so much on social media to silence this whole thing. You tried so much to make it look negative. And by now, you must make peace with the fact that you never succeeded. Rona, when we look at AfriForum and based on what Jacinta wants to achieve, those are the best people that she should be learning from. One of the reasons why AfriForum is so successful, it is because it is against lawlessness. That's why they are able to take governments to court. They don't want lawlessness. This whole movement, much and much, started. South Africans are tired of lawlessness. Lawlessness. The law must be applied. So they are the best people to go talk to and sit down with them because they've been able to build universities. Your people of the same color as you have failed you. We are not in a religion of skin colors here. When you're going to look at the hospitals that are being built, what happened at Kuruleni? People eating the funds of the hospitals, and then you want to sit here skin colors about no, our people are setting us free. We don't have time for that. We want to take this country forward. I love what Jacinta said, saying we're not here to worship them. We are here to share ideas. And where we disagree, we have to sit down and have conversations with them. Now, we're just looking at the achievements of AfriForum and what they've been able to do. They've built better facilities than what our government has ever done for South Africans. They've built things, when they do things for themselves, you'll be wanting to join them and saying, why are they doing these things for themselves? Basar including. Jacinta says, let me go learn from these people so that by the time I implement these things, it benefits South Africans. And then Allah, hey, we told you. You told us what? You never told us anything. This country belongs to every single person of every color. The sooner you make peace with that, the sooner we're gonna go forward. We don't have time to entertain this negativity. In Orania, where people are doing their own things, minding their own business, they don't need the government. When is Jacinta going to Orania? To do what? To disrupt people that are functioning on their own and don't need anything else. And they're not wasting any resources. They are a well-oiled machine that is sustainable. Jacinta Fitlemol are widely sustainer. We are dealing with idiots in this country. When is Jacinta going to Orania? To do what? Because they're not wasting any funds. They are sustaining themselves and building facilities for themselves. Jacinta says, I want to link up with some of these people. Babu AfriForum, how do we implement this? We are going to take the good stuff they've achieved and try to implement them because the government of this country has failed its.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. People are defending Jacinta Ngobe, saying in a meeting with the AfriForum. A lot of people are dragging her up saying she's selling Mzabadazo, saying she's a sellout. But there are those who are saying Jacinta, she's very smart and bekumele asonzile ku-AfriForum to learn their structure. The strategies now you need to keep your enemies closer each and every time. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.